very serious story to cover for tonight. A student of 16 years of age, we'll call her Kyla, was bullied by her peers because of her having a genetic disorder called thalassemia and was forced to drop out from school by her parents. On the call, we have Miss Leila Trivalejio, one of our talented reporters that has a background in genetics and has talked with Kyla and became friends with her. Leila, are you there?
Yes, Olivia, right now, Kyla went out to grab some water, so it might take a while for her to come back.
Well, since she's out at the moment, can you tell us what exactly the thalassemia disorder is?
Yes, the thalassemia disorder is a blood disorder that causes your body to have less hemoglobin than an average person does. Hemoglobin is the one responsible to carry your oxygen all over your body. This causes anemia, which would make you feel extremely tired and appear yellowish or jaundice. There are two types of thalassemia, thalassemia alpha and beta. Oh, hi Kyla. So, are you ready? You're live right now.
Yes. Hello again, Miss Leila, and to everyone at home.
Yeah, so is it okay if we talk about your experiences with thalassemia?
It's okay. I was diagnosed by the doctors with beta thalassemia when I was 2 years old. It's a chronic genetic disorder where my body can produce as much as red blood cells in my heart. So I have to have monthly blood transfusions ever since I was a
getting in
child.
those
Despite all of
transfusions
this,
help
I told my
get
parents that I wanted
3
to go
units
to
of blood.
school because I wanted to feel the feeling of being in a school filled with people the same my age instead of hospitals. They gave in and let me go to school. Surprisingly, school wasn't as fun as I expected it to be.
Oh, why is that? Is it because of the bullying?
That and my disorder, of course. They called me a lot of names. Yellow girl, the girl who's tired after one jogging session. I get tired very easily. So if there's group work, my classmates would usually feel so disappointed if I'm one of their group mates and complain to my teacher because of how useless I am. And because of it, they often push me around. And one of them ended up punching me. That was certainly not a welcoming start to school.
I'm sorry you had to go through that. Nobody should. Bullying people for their disabilities will never be okay. So to the viewers who are watching right now, I hope you learned something from Kyla's story because having illnesses such as thalassemia already makes their life more complicated than it is. As someone who has now become your friend, Kyla, I can say that you're not useless. Don't ever think that you're useless. You make me smile for being you and for being able to talk about this in live television. That's very brave of you.
Thank you. You also make me smile.
So, tell me more. Did the teachers do anything about this?
Of course, they did something. They called in my parents and they talked. I don't know the specifics of what they talk about. All I know is that my parents decided for me to be homeschooled instead. It honestly broke my heart since it was my dream to go to school, but I think school isn't really for me.
It'll get better. From what I know, your parents are actually looking to a treatment for you, right? So that you can go back to school and be a normal student again?
Yes, my parents are looking into a blood stem cell transplant so that I won't have this disorder anymore. So I can finally feel happier.
Hmm. I'm pretty sure you'll be very happy to know that our new station is going to help fund 50% of the expenses that you need for your treatment.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, of course. So I'll continue talking to Kyla. Now back to Olivia.
And to everyone who can help Kyla, please donate to her GoFundMe page. It will be flashed on the screen. And to everyone listening right now, I hope that the interview we had of someone who has a genetic disease, I hope that it become more a little understanding towards these people. They are amazing people that have dreams and hopes, just like any human being. They just so happen to have something that they cannot control in their body. It may be a physical deformation, difficulty in speech, or something that literally saps their energy, making them weak and tired. They're human, not some kind of circus freak you pay money to see. So please, please, don't make fun of these people. That's all for tonight, news friends. I hope you have a good night and please help Kyla by donating to her GoFundMe page that will be flashed on the screen.